Hi everyone, welcome to Basics. Today we are going to learn a very common question that has not been answered completely anywhere on YouTube, which is audio transcription possible on Zoom? So the answer is yes, it is. Now you may wonder why you cannot actually see the option on Zoom. This is because it is only available for paid subscribers on Zoom. And even as a paid subscriber of Zoom, you need to have a business or enterprise plan to do audio transcription on Zoom. So let's get started. So let's log in into Zoom first. Now go to settings and click on recordings and check if you have the cloud recordings option enabled. Then scroll down and you will see an audio transcription option there. This automatically transcribes every audio of the meeting. Just check the option and save the setting. Now go to recordings and click on cloud recording. Say we click on this recording. It opens the recording. Here you can see the option of audio transcript. You can just click on it and download your audio transcription anytime you want. You can also share your recordings by sharing the recording link. This way, another person can also see your audio transcription too. You can also password protect your recordings for a safer audio transcript and other options. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please like, share and subscribe to Basics.